Benefits. Cleansing. Suggested use. Split ends. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful shampoo. Love this product. I wash my hair every other day and this lasts me about 3 months. My hairdresser recommend this product and I don't think I'll go back to supermarket shampoos. I use the conditioner mask and professional argan oil with it. Best shampoo ever. This shampoo cleans perfectly, not too dry and leaves hair with a clean but manageable feeling. It gives your hair body, easy to style. I use it with their rinse-out conditioner in a pot.